In today's video, we're going to look at the multiple signature feature in Gmail. So first and foremost, how do we do this? We need to go into our settings, CL settings, and from there, we are going to remain in the general settings where we will scroll down all the way to the signature area. In here, we can create more than one signature. So for that, you always simply need to click on create, input the name of your signature, and in it you can create the signature that you want. This is very useful if you're working on multiple projects, different site locations, or for whatever reason you fancy having more than one signature. Then afterwards, very simply, you always need to save the changes that you have done whenever you create more than one signature. And then, when does it come useful? Do you need to go back into your general settings to define which signature you will be using? No needs for that. Instead, what you will do is whenever you are composing an email, you will have your predefined signature, but at the bottom, you will have a pen where you can change the signature that you want. So instead, you can click on the insert signature and you will have all the signatures that you have created. So you can select a new signature depending on whatever variable it is that you need to change the signature. And that is how you set up multiple signatures within your Gmail. Thank you very much. Have a good day.